Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to reset the oil life or maintenance life on Acura TLX. We're going to use information bond on the steering wheel right here. You can roll up and down with the wheel, and then when you want to select something, just push it down. So we're going to roll up and down or down until you see the vehicle setting. You select vehicle setting, then you roll up until you see vehicle maintenance information. You select that, and then you roll up. You hit you see reset, and you select reset. Okay, reset complete. Let's exit it out, and then double check it. Yeah, it's 100%. Oil life 100%. So you know that the oil life is reset. Okay, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you guys.